afternoon, children. Welcome to physics IIT class of class 8, day 8. Till yesterday we have discussed about sound topic, right? So we will be discussing right from today, light. Okay. So when I am starting the lesson sound, we have discussed about light also. I have compared speed of light and speed of sound also. Yes or not? So here light is also a form of energy. Okay, it is an invisible energy. Clear? So here when compared to sound, the speed of light is very high. Okay. So what is the speed of sound? In air it is 330 meters per second. Yes or not? What about speed of light then? 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. When compared, which is fast? Light is fast. So it is also energy. Now we will be seeing about reflection of light. Already we have learned in the general topic reflection of light. Yes or not? We have finished it. So now some related topics we will be learning. First topic. What is the first thing? Is mirror. What is mirror actually? What is mirror? Any smooth surface which can turn back the rays of light. Yes or not? Will mirror reflect the light rays? Yes. That is the reason we are able to see our image on the mirror. So any smooth surface which can turn back the light rays, it is called as mirror. Why it is turning back the rays? Because back side it will be having some paint. Yes or not? It is having some aluminium paint. It is the reason it can reflect the object. Yes or not? So this is called as mirror. Any smooth polished surface which can turn back the rays of light into same media is called as mirror. And next is incident ray, reflected ray. All this we have discussed. So once again I will be explaining. See, how can we draw the mirror on a board? How can we indicate front side and the back side? If we draw lines, what does it indicate? This is back side. This time I am folded with the aluminium paint. This is called as back side. This is the back side. We will be indicating back side with the cross lines, and this is the front line. Here we can see our image. Okay. See, this is a source of light. Assume it is a bulb. So it is passing some light here. Yes or no? So what happens? Light travels in a straight line. Okay. Sound travels in a wave, light travels in a straight path. That is the reason why we can see the image till reverse in the pinhole camera. So light falls from here. Yes or no? Light travels in a very straight ray. It strikes the mirror. It falls like this. I am drawing only one line, but number of lines are falling on the mirror. Yes or no? So I should. So the ray entering from the source of light is called as incident ray. Yes or not? It is coming from the source of light and striking the mirror. So this ray is called as incident ray. This is a plane. This is a mirror light. So this is entering from the source of light. A ray of light hitting the source of light hitting to a obstacle. It is called as incident ray. And from here what happens? Will the ray reflect back or not? So the ray will be reflecting back. Yes or no? So this is called as reflected ray. Any light rays will be reflecting. All the light rays will be reflected back from the plane mirror. Yes or no? So this is the reason light. This is a light source of light. The rays are entering on the mirror. That rays are called incident rays, and that rays again will be after touching the mirror, they will be reflected back. So this reflected back rays are called as reflected rays. So this is an incident ray, this is a reflected ray. The ray of light which bounces off from the mirror into the same media, it is called as reflected ray. The ray of light which points the mirror, it is called as incident ray. And we can draw a normal and a straight line. See, this point is there, no? Exactly. The point where the incident ray is touching the mirror, it is called as point of incidence. The point where the incident ray is touching the mirror, it is called as incident ray, or the point at which the reflected ray bounces back. Okay, it is called as point of incidence. This is called as incident and this is called as reflected ray. And from the point of incidence, we can draw a straight line perpendicular to the mirror. Okay, that line is called as normal line. Understood? The straight line drawn from a point of incidence perpendicular to the mirror is called as normal line. So this is an angle of this is an incident ray, this is the reflected ray. Yes, sir? And this line is a normal line. It is parallel to this and it is perpendicular from the mirror. Okay. Now see, if you focus here, some angles are found. Okay, sir. When you compare, both the angles are same. That is, this the angle made by the incident ray and the normal is called as angle of incidence. Okay, and the angle made by the reflected ray and the normal line is called as angle of reflection. We have number of points in this one diagram. Remember, this is a mirror. Okay, this is a back side, this is a front side. Back side is indicated by the cross lines, and this is a light source. From light source, you get number of incidents. That is, number of rays will be hitting the mirror. That rays are called an incident ray, and that reflected rays will be from a point. It will be reflected back. The point where the incident ray strikes the mirror is called as point of incidence. Okay, and from point of incidence, we will take a straight line. That is called as normal line. And here incident ray as well as normal line are making some angle, that is called as angle of incidence, and normal line as well as reflected ray is making some angle, it is called as angle of reflection. Always remember, angle of I is equal to angle of R. Okay. So from this figure we can and next what is reflection? What is reflection? The phenomena at which a ray of light will be reflected back from one medium to the other medium. So this is one medium and this is also one medium. So that means from here it is hitting and this is again going back. Here air is there, here also same amount of air is there. These are of same medium or not? So that light will be reflected in the same medium. It is called as reflection of light. The light reflects from at a point or from the any surface. It is called as reflection of light. We have two laws of reflection. So what are the two laws of reflection? First, incident ray, reflected ray and normal ray. Three lines will be in the same plane. This is all same plane or not? All the medium are going to be same or not? So these three will be always these three things are on the same plane, same platform. Okay. So these three, incident ray, reflected ray and normal ray. Three are on the same plane. This is the first law. Two laws of reflection. What is the first law states? It states that incident ray, reflected ray and normal lie in a same plane. And next, second one, reflected ray and incident ray. They are making some angle or not? So here incident ray with the normal ray is making some angle and reflected ray with the normal ray is also making some angle. That angles are always equal if it is in the same medium. If it is in the same medium, that is around air is there. In the medium, the incident ray is always equal to the reflected ray. That is angle I is equal to angle R. Okay, got it? These are the two laws of the reflection. What are the two laws first? Incident ray, reflected ray, as well as normal line in the same plane, and angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. These are called as laws of reflection. We have discussed about laws of reflection, right? Two laws are there. First law, what is incident ray, reflected ray, as well as normal light lie in a same plane, as well as angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. These are the laws of reflection. Now we will be learning about kinds of reflection. We have two kinds of reflection. First one is regular reflection as well as irregular reflection. Before knowing this, do you know that what is regular plane and what is irregular plane? See, if I consider this plane, this book, it is very flat, right? Is it regular? Is it plane? Is it regular plane or irregular plane? It is a regular plane. Why? Because all are same. So not everything is smooth. That is the reason. No ups and downs. Whereas if I take this book, is it regular or irregular? See, it is irregular because I have kept. Can you see? Is it regular or irregular? It's not regular. Why? Because there is up here, there is a down, and it has some disturbance in the middle also. It is not plane. It is called as irregular body, regular plane, and it is called as regular plane, irregular plane. So now we will be learning about regular reflection as well as irregular reflection. Yes or not? So here regular reflection is nothing but a beam of light. That is nothing but a ray of light which strikes a regular surface will be hitting with the same incident, same angle of incidence, same angle of reflection. So that is called as regular reflection. That means the parallel beam of light strikes the surface and hits the same angle of reflection. That is all the lines will be same. They are coming in a parallel beam, all parallel to each other, and they will be reflecting parallel to each other. Whereas irregular reflection on irregular surface, all the parallel beam of light, all the light rays falling on the surface and hit back with different directions. Yes or not? Here same, all the lines are parallel to each other or not? In the regular, whereas in irregular the lines will not be parallel. Their incidences and different regulars will not be parallel. Okay. So this is called as parallel beam of light. These lines together, this is called as parallel beam of light. The parallel beam of light will be same, whereas the irregular surface, the parallel beam of light will not be same. It will be scattered or it will be diffused. Okay, that is nothing but it goes different ways. See, if you take this book, light falls here. If I put, and it will be reflected like this. So light falls and light reflects. It is nothing. There is no consequences in this. But whereas if I take duster like this, is it regular? Is it regular? Is it regular? It is not regular. The light falls here and it scatters somewhere else. Why? Because it is having some ups and downs. It is not even. Okay, it is not at all even. So the parallel beam of light from a reflected rays will not be even to the incident rays. I hope we have understood what is regular surface and irregular surface. Regular surface is nothing but the parallel beam of light falls on incidents will be fallen on regular sphere and will be hitting with the same parallel beam of light. Whereas parallel beam of light falling on the irregular surface will be scattered or will be diffused. The lines will be diffused, not as usual regular. Whatever we are seeing objects around us are just due to regular or irregular. It is irregular. Okay. So regular reflection is not good for the eyes. Okay, it damages our sight. That is the reason it cannot be a regular reflection for a lot of time. Whereas whatever we are seeing objects around us, it is just due to irregular surface. Yes or not? Is Earth is a regular surface or irregular surface? Earth is a irregular surface. Light rays falls on the Earth. Yes or not? So what happens after falling? It reflects back. To that reflection we are seeing all the objects. So that reflection is not even after reflecting. Yes or not? The reflection is not even all over the world. That is the reason you can see the objects clearly without any problem to our sight. This is regarding regular reflection as well as irregular reflection. This is for today's class. Tomorrow we will be learning about lateral inversion as well as some of the points of the reflection. Thank you.